Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a makeup tutorial using the Naked I Urban Decay palette, and I'm just going to use this fluffy eyeshadow blending brush to go into that light brown color, and I'm going to apply it right above my crease as a transition color. And now I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. Now I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer with a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to apply the concealer all over my eyelid, my movable lid. And now of course I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to go back into my palette and use this rose gold color, and I'm slowly going to apply it with a flat eyeshadow brush in a downward motion. I'm slowly going to start to build up that color, and I'm only going to go about 3/4 into the eye look because I want to apply a different color towards the corners of the eyeshadow look. Now I'm going to go back in with a flat eyeshadow brush into this darker color, and I'm going to apply it all over the corner of my eye. And I'm just gonna build that up until it's very dark and smoky on the ends of my eyeshadow look. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. Now I'm gonna go back in with that first brush that I used, that first blending brush, and just blend out any harshness that may be between both colors. I did go off camera and apply eyeliner and falsies. Now I'm going to go in with my Bobbi Brown stick foundation, and I'm just going to apply it in a downward motion all over my face and my forehead. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation brush, and I'm going to gently blend out my foundation. Be sure not to exfoliate your face with these brushes when you're blending your foundation out. Now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl concealer and just conceal any dark circles. Now I'm gonna use this triangle sponge just to blend that out. Now for setting powder, I'm going to use that Airspun setting powder, and I'm going to apply it all over where I just applied the concealer and let it sit there for a while. Now I'm going to take this fluffy brush and just remove any excess. I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics contour kit, and I'm going to use that light brown. And I'm just going to apply it in the middle of my cheek, towards the middle part of my face. And on my forehead. This is a good way to add color back into your face. Now I'm going to take this fluffy blending brush and I'm just going to blend that out. For blush, I'm going to use this Clinique Chubby stick. And I'm just going to apply it on the apple of my cheeks. I'm going to take a triangle sponge and blend that out. For a highlighter, I'm going to use my Wetnwild highlighter with a flat fluffy brush, and I'm just going to apply it right above my cheeks. Also on my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. For lipstick, I'm going to use this MAC orange lipstick. All the details of the products will be in the description box. This is now my final look. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.